Good morning. This is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still dealing with some overcast skies with clouds around 1,300 feet at the moment. Light northeast winds around 8 knots. Temperature sitting around 74 degrees. Expecting these low clouds to break up eventually, giving us a break in some of those clouds as we get into the afternoon. And then we'll see those clouds build back in as we have another disturbance that'll move into the area for Saturday. Take a look at the current surface analysis with that boundary that was sitting over the area, causing some disturbed weather. Has drifted south, expecting today to be mostly dry until we get into the Saturday morning hours. So otherwise, along this boundary, we'll see a disturbance develop and push through the area as we get into, again, the early morning hours Saturday, and bringing us a decent chance for some rain that could see some heavier amounts as we go throughout the day Saturday. Looking at the upper level winds from this morning's sounding, we have northeasterly winds near the surface becoming north-northwest to westerly as we go up through the column with a peak wind around 16,000 feet. Freezing level is at 16,500 feet. Looking at the current satellite imagery, we can see some of that low cloud eroding away just to the north of the area. So expecting that trend to continue as we get into the afternoon. It will just be left with some broken clouds. We'll keep some of those low clouds in the area, but not as thick, and then we'll have some broken clouds up in the upper levels. As you can see, light northeasterly winds across much of the region. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model, see how things play out as we go throughout the day today. Again, we'll see that cloud cover start to break up a little bit as we get into the afternoon. Expecting things to remain dry, though, until we get into the evening hours. After we'll see our first chances of seeing some precip after the 2 a.m. hour with just a slight chance, and then that chance will steadily increase as we get into towards the sunrise hour for Saturday, as we have these showers and storms that will move into the area. During the day on Saturday, as you can see, some of these could put down some decent rain at times, so depending on where those stronger showers and storms set up will be where we get the most rainfall totals. These showers will continue to push through as we go throughout the day Saturday, and then as we get into the evening hours, should continue pushing southeast of the area with just a few lingering showers, maybe a lingering thunderstorm in the area during the early morning hours on Sunday. And then as we get into Sunday, expecting things to dry out. So starting with Sunday morning, zooming out, looking at the long-term forecast, again, expecting that rain to push south of the area for our Sunday and then dry out with some clearing in the clouds as well, setting up for a pretty nice day for Sunday and also into Monday. And then as we get into Tuesday, we'll see some of the heat start to return, and then we'll see another chance, our next chance of seeing some rain showers and thunderstorms as we go into Wednesday and late Wednesday into Thursday. We'll be keeping an eye on this area down to in the Gulf, where we could see a weak area of low pressure develop and kind of move up the coast. That'll help bring us continued chances of rain as we get into the later portion of next week. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, again, expecting things to stay dry as we go throughout the day, so green across the board for much of the day today, and a break in the clouds expected before they build back into the evening. High around 82, so in the low 80s for today. East-northeast winds becoming more easterly to southeasterly as we go into the overnight hours, and by the time we start the day on Saturday, expecting south-southeasterly winds 6 to 11 knots, and we should see those pick up a bit as we go into our Saturday with a low of 72 for our Saturday morning. After we get through the midnight hour, expecting a slight chance of showers to start picking up after 2 a.m. and then continue to increase with the better chance coming after the 8 a.m. local time hour. Looking at the next couple days, again, tomorrow we'll have that disturbance moving through. We'll have a good chance for some scattered to more widespread rain showers pushing through the area for much of the day tomorrow, with a chance for some embedded thunderstorms with that as well. We'll see slightly breezy conditions pick up to becoming breezy as we go throughout the days, particularly with those stronger downpours and potential for any stronger storms moving through. Have some gusty winds. High of 79 expected. We are orange for the precip, and then yellow for lightning. Winds above 25 knots and those reduced ceilings of visibilities. As we go into Saturday night, we'll see those showers become more scattered to isolated in nature, continuing throughout the evening and into the early morning hours for Sunday. We'll see those rain chances begin diminishing by late Sunday morning, remaining slightly breezy with a low of 69. We are yellow across the board for weather risk for our Sunday evening. And as we get into Sunday, things should quiet down with the exception of some slightly breezy to breezy winds. We do have a yellow for a chance of seeing winds above 25 knots. Otherwise, starting off mostly cloudy, and then we'll see a clearing trend as we go throughout the day. Very slight chance of some lingering rain early, but otherwise should remain dry and pleasant as we go throughout the Sunday. Look at the extended forecast. Monday should be a nice day, partly cloudy day with a high around 81. Not much in the way of humidity. Going into Monday evening, expecting a low around 70, then we'll see heat start to return for our Tuesday with partly cloudy and slightly breezy day with a high of 86. As we go into Tuesday evening, expecting a low of just 75, and then the real heat comes back in for Wednesday, expecting a high of 90 at the moment, and a chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms in the evening for our Wednesday, and then continued chance for showers and storms as we go into Thursday with a high of 85 for our Thursday. That will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again Monday at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.